In a small city, where everyone was busy chasing success, lived a young man named Ethan. He worked as a waiter in a small cafe. Every day he saw hundreds of people come and go, some kind, some rude, most just rushing. One cold evening, while walking home, Ethan saw an old man sitting near a streetlight, shivering, holding a small empty cup. Without thinking much, Ethan went to him, gave his jacket, and bought him a warm meal with the little money he had left. The old man smiled weakly and said, "Son, kindness is never forgotten. The world remembers in ways you can't see." Ethan just smiled, nodded, and walked away. He didn't do it for a reward, he just couldn't ignore a soul in pain. Weeks passed. Life went on. Ethan kept working, saving every coin, dreaming of starting his own cafe one day. But one morning, everything changed. The cafe he worked in shut down suddenly due to financial losses. He lost his job overnight. Days turned into weeks, he tried everywhere, but no one hired him. His savings dried up. Rent was due. One evening, tired and hungry, Ethan sat on a park bench, thinking of giving up. That's when a car stopped in front of him. A man in a suit stepped out. "Are you Ethan?" he asked. "Yes. But do I know you?" The man smiled. "Maybe not, but you once helped someone who will never forget you." He handed Ethan a business card. It said, "Hope Foundation CEO, Mr. Samuel Grant." Ethan's eyes widened. "Wait, the old man from the street?" The man nodded. "Mr. Grant lost everything once. The night you helped him, he had nothing, not even hope. You didn't know who he was. That kindness gave him strength to start again. He rebuilt his life. And now, he wants to help you start yours." Tears rolled down Ethan's eyes. Next week, Ethan was standing inside a new cafe, his cafe. The board outside read, "Hot beverage kind cup, where every coffee comes with a smile." And under it, a small line, "Inspired by an unseen helper." Months later, a young woman came to Ethan's cafe, struggling to pay for her drink. Ethan smiled and said, "It's okay. This one's on me." As she walked away with tears of gratitude, Ethan whispered to himself, "The world remembers kindness. Always." Moral of the story: what you give comes back to you, sometimes when you least expect it. Be kind even when no one is watching. The smallest act of goodness can change someone's life, maybe even your own.